Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Marzelia Zara and I'm from 7.1. On this opportunity, I would like to reading a helix DNA. I'd like to turn now to the object which is a helix is a type of three-dimensional curve that goes around a central cylindrical shape in the form of a spiral. Like a corkscrew or a spiral staircase, the helix is a very popular shape in nature because it is very compact. In fact, helix are sometimes referred to as nature's spacesaver. In architecture too, the helix shape of a spiral staircase is an attractive option in buildings where space is very restricted. The most renowned type of helix is probably the double helix of DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is made of two helices that curve around each other, a bit like a twist ladder. DNA contains the genetic information or code that determines the development and functioning of all known living things. The helix shape is a very efficient way to store a long molecule like DNA in limited space of a cell. There are different types of helix. Helix can twist clockwise, right hand, or anti-clockwise, left hand. An interesting experiment is to hold a clockwise helix, such as a corkscrew, up to a mirror. The clockwise helix appears to become counterclockwise. We can perceive examples of helix in many areas of our world. Spiral staircase, cables, screw, and ropes can be right-hand or left-hand helix. A helix that goes around a cone is called a conical helix. Examples of conical helix are screw or the famous spiral designed by the architect Frank Lloyd Wright in the Guggenheim Museum in New York. Helix are so prevalent in the natural world. The horns of certain animals, virus, cells, and the structure of plants, flowers, and leaves can all contain helix. The human umbilical cord is in fact a triple helix. With the discovery that the helix is the shape of the DNA molecule, it is not surprising that the helix is found in so many areas. It is one of the most natural shapes in nature. Let's turn our attention now to the mathematical description of the helix. You will need a pen and paper for the next part of the talk, as I'm going to give you some variables to write down. Take your time to notice the difference. Thank you, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.